Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to invite your friends on Facebook. So, without wasting time, let's start. Like you have a Facebook page and you want to invite your friends to like it. So, you are on right video. So, first of all, open your Facebook application and then go to your page menu. Here you will see three dots. Tap on it. After that you will see invite friends. Hit on it. And then you will see your Facebook profile in which you have your friends and you want to invite them. So press on continue. After that you will be able to see people have 3070 friends. Here I can select 1000 of friends out of 3070. So I will select them all and press on send invitation. After that invitation will be sent to friends. So here we go. That's the way you can invite your friends on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.